everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kai Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to write a dazzling Instagram bio. You see many names and letters in non-standard writing styles in Instagram biographies. If you're wondering how these shaped letters are made, you can quickly learn this from your topic and apply it to you. Moreover, in this way, you can make your Instagram profile more beautiful looking. Before you start writing your Instagram bio, choose at least 2 or 3 key aspects of your life to highlight. And these should be traits that will connect emotionally in some way with those you want to attract. Let's look at my own Instagram bio here. I wrote my name and my department here and my interests here. In this part, we're just gonna add and delete some parts according to just how to write a dazzling Instagram bio. So at first, you need to determine the voice and style of your bio. If you are the next Amy Schumer, your Instagram bio should reflect that irreverent, hilarious style through words and relevant emojis. In contrast, if your identity is more straight-laced and serious, your bio shouldn't be silly and humorous. Even if your profile is meant to connect with friends and family, sharing your personality and purpose in the bio will help clarify that to people who may find you. The Instagram bio, as you can see from there, is limited to 150 characters, including spaces. And to see the bio, to just make some changes on the bio, just look at the top of the screen. You can just see the edit profile button, and we're just gonna click the edit profile button there and go to the bio field. And here the bio is designed to be one single paragraph of information, but you can use formatting techniques to add spaces and line breaks. Because Instagram was designed to be used on a mobile device, it's best to format your bio on a mobile device so that you retain the correct alignment. No matter what formatting you create, your bio on a desktop or a computer device will always be one long paragraph spanning the width of the browser, unlike the vertical alignment seen on mobile devices. And make use of emojis and symbols from your profile device's keyboard to create visual appeal in your Instagram bio. So how can we add emojis there? To add emojis, at first open the emoji keyboard on your mobile device and just tap the smile face icon at the bottom of your keyboard. So I want to add some emojis there, and from there, as you can see, you'll just choose this one, and you have a lot of emojis to choose from. You have a lot of options there, and you can choose it according to your interests this way. And Instagram is a visual platform, and having emojis in the bio helps yours stand out from other users. You have many emojis to choose from. And if the traditional funny face and cartoonish emojis don't translate to your style, use simple emoji symbols such as squares and diamonds, triangles here, as you can see, and just arrows to add color and visual content without detracting from your professional style. And for me, I want to add this emoji, and for this part I'll just add a rainbow, and that's it. Yeah, and to just save changes there on the, just look at the bottom of the screen. You can just see the submit button, and I'll just click that, and my profile is saved, and I can see it on my profile, and the emojis here. It's that easy. That's it. And about hashtags, generally hashtags are not a good idea in Instagram bios. Although they are clickable, if someone clicks the hashtag in your bio, he'll leave your profile and explore the hashtag gallery results instead. And for example, using a hashtag like Traveling will send visitors from your profile to millions of other posts using that hashtag, as you can see from there. And using hashtags in your Instagram bio is not a viable way to get more followers or showcase your own content, because people will be distracted by other posts they'll see. So we'll go back to my profile and I'll just click edit profile button and I'll delete the hashtag here. Yeah. You should only include hashtags in your bio if they are specific to you, your content, or your business. For example, if you recently got married and you had a hashtag for your wedding, you can include that hashtag in your bio so that anyone tapping on it will find all the other content created at your wedding. And also you can edit or create your bio by tapping the edit profile, as we did it before in your Instagram profile. On the edit profile screen, here we go to the bio field, insert the text for your bio, save any changes when you're finished. So I finished that, I deleted the hashtag and just look at the end of the screen and just click the submit button there, and I saved the changes. The profile is saved now. Android users can format a bio completely in Instagram, and if you want to include line breaks and spacing, tap the return or enter key at the end of the line. For example, I want to separate and I want to use the line breaks here, so I'll just tap the enter key at the end of the line and they are separate now. That's it. And to save changes, again, at the end of the screen, I'll just tap the submit button and it's saved now. That's it. Make sure that you don't have an extra space after the final character on the line and that the last character on the line is not an emoji. If you have an extra space or an emoji as the final character, the space breaks you inserted with the return or enter key will not appear in your published text. iOS users can format a bio in Instagram, but line breaks will not be retained. Instead, it's best to open the Notes app on your device and use it to craft your bio description, including all formatting. So, I'll just open the Notes app here. And just there, I'll just copy the bio. Open the Instagram again. And select edit profile. Actually, we are here now. And paste the description. At first, delete this one. Paste the description in the bio field. And again, click the submit button and profile is saved. As with Android users, you must ensure that no extra space appears after the final character on the line and that the last character on the line is not an emoji. You can edit and rewrite your bio as often as you want. It's a good idea to review your Instagram bio every 6 months to verify that the information is still accurate and relevant. And Instagram has traditionally had the profile photo on the left side, as you can see here, and the bio directly beneath it. As Instagram has added more features like IGTV here, and story highlights, the profile section has gotten longer and taken up more space. To alleviate this problem, Instagram began truncating the bios with a more link. Tapping the more link will open the full bio. my bio is not a long one, so you can just see the more link here, but if you have a longer description in the bio, you can just see the more link there. And additionally, Instagram started rolling out new profile layouts with the profile on the right side of the profile and a more condensed spacing to allow for better position of the bio content. And most people, again, if we want to add a web address to our Instagram bio, so many people use web addresses in their bios when they are using their Instagram profiles for business purposes. But there may be occasions where you want to share a website link even on your personal profile. Perhaps you want to send people to your YouTube videos or to your personal gallery of photos on Flickr or to a reservation link for an upcoming party. In any of these situations or others, you can include the URL for that destination and the link location in your Instagram bio. Again, I'll just click the Edit Profile button, and here, the only place that you can place a clickable link on Instagram as a personal profile is in the bio. You can't include clickable links in regular posts or stories. If you have any reason to send people to a website link, you'll need to place that link here in the bio. From the Edit Profile button on your Instagram profile, there is the option to list a URL link, and simply copy and paste or type in the link address in this field. So I want to add a website link here. So I have my Pinterest account there, and here on the top of the screen you can just see it there. I'll just copy that, copy the link, and I'll go back to my profile. And actually you have two choices there. You could just write it on the website part or on the bio field. Again, you can edit by pasting there and by just clicking the submit button there, and your profile is saved. To check that, again, we'll go back to my profile and the link is here. That's it. Your URL can be updated or changed as frequently as you like. You may have a default web page for your profile, but change it to coincide with a promotion or campaign you're running on Instagram. After that campaign is complete, you can change the link back to your default or simply delete it if you don't have anything to drive traffic to. On a personal profile, you won't get Instagram analytics regarding how many people click the link in your bio. If you wanted to use this feature for business and drive traffic for your business, you would want to upgrade to a business profile on Instagram. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.